This tutorial review will show you how to make your signature digital with Photoshop. First of all, take a photo of your signature. Then you have to import the signature in your computer. Then open the signature in Photoshop. Now select crop tool and crop your signature like this. Click on done. Now select channels and select the red channel. Then go to image, adjustment, curves and adjust the color. Hold down the Alt key and using this level, adjust your signature. The same way, move this level to make perfect your signature. Once you find out the perfect result, click on OK. Hold down the Ctrl, click on the channel thumbnail. Now press Ctrl-Shift-I to make the selection inverse. Now select layers and unlock this layer. Now you can hide this layer. Select a solid color for your signature. That's how we can make a digital signature. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.